That's why I think it's imperative that we pass the bill that's been presented today, which includes paid sick leave, which includes extended unemployment benefits, protections for Medicaid, and also making sure that we're taking action to protect doctors and nurses and hospital workers on the front line. South Korea has up to 10,000 tests per day. They've been able to provide tests to any single person that wants it, and here people are scrambling, and it almost seems like the more wealthy and powerful you are, the more able you are to access a test.